So using the component option inside of SketchUp, what you can actually easily do is create out staircases as well. So to do that, I'm just going to go around and let's say, for example, bring in a shape. So I'm just going to go around over here. And then I'm just going to go around and then bring in this. And now I'm going to go ahead and pull this up. Let's say, for example, right here, just like this. So now I'm going to go ahead and duplicate these out. But before that, I'm going to go ahead and turn it into a component right here. So I'm going to right click right here. And then over here, you can see that make component is an option. So I'm just going to go around over here and name it as stair right here and click on create right here, just like this. So now we're going to go ahead and duplicate the number of stairs right here. So for that, I'm just going to go ahead and utilize the move tool and click and release this. And I'm going to press Ctrl on my keyboard so I get the duplicate on right here. So now I want the staircase to be up right here. So let's just go ahead right here, just like this, and align it out so that it actually goes ahead right here, just like this. So I actually clicked on the top part while I copied. So this is not what I want. So let me just go ahead and then delete this out. I'm going to go ahead and take the bottom part right here, just like this, and then press Ctrl. And then you can see that I can align it out right here, just like this. So now I can simply go ahead and click. And let's say I want 20 steps. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in 20 right here. And then go ahead and type in X as well. It seems like I clicked outside. So let me just go ahead and try again. I'm just going to click on this, press Ctrl, and then I'm going to click right here, type in 20, X, and enter right here. So you can see that I got staircases right here, just like this, accordingly for all of these right here. So now I can go ahead and modify one of the component and I can change the design of the staircase as I want. So I can go ahead and double click right here and you can see that I can go ahead and make changes to the component. So let's say, for example, I can go around right here and select out, let's say this right here, just like this, or I can go ahead and add in detail. So let's just go around over here and add in detail to the staircase right here, just like this. And I'm going to go ahead and pull this up and you can see that I got the design right here, just like this. Similarly over here as well, let me just go ahead and pull these staircases out right here. And let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and then utilize this particular line right here, and I'm going to go ahead and move these out right here. So I'm just going to go around over here and then select these out right here, just like this, and you can go ahead and move it up and you can see that you get the staircase as you want right here, just like this. So but anyways, I'm just going to go around and keep it just like this, as you can see, and you immediately have a wonderful staircase right here, just like this. You can go ahead and add in more details to it now. So let's say, for example, you want to go ahead and add in a handle, then you can go ahead and then let's say, for example, make a handle right here, and then you can go ahead and pull these up right here, just like this as well. So you can see that I got this. Let me just go ahead and then use the selection tool to click outside. Let me just select one of these right here, just like this, and I can go ahead and pull these out as well. Seems like I didn't draw that quite well, so let's just go ahead and double click on it again, and then I'm just going to go around over here and select it. So you can see that I've selected this face. That's okay. Let's just go ahead and utilize a rectangular tool right here, just like this, and then I'm going to go ahead and pull this up now. So let's just go ahead and pull this up. So let's just go ahead right here, so you can see that this is the face. Let's just use the push and pull right here, just like this, to pull it up, and you got the handles around over here, just like this as well. So that is what you have. And apart from that, now I can go ahead right here, you can see that I can pull it out more as well. And to go ahead and add in the detail, you can go ahead and utilize the pencil tool right here, just like this. So let's just go ahead right here, go around over here onto the S. Let's just go ahead and add in the pencil tool right here, just like this, as you can see, to create out a division right here. And then this is what you have. So now what I can simply do is go ahead and take the push and pull tool. So let's just go ahead right here and then go ahead, and then you can see that you can pull and push this out. But let me just go ahead and then select this out. You can go ahead and select out a face, as you can see right here, and add in the detail as you wish. But there's some extra details right here, as you can see, which I don't want. So let's just go ahead and then delete these out right here, just like this. So these seems to be extra right here. that seems to have come up for no reason, or I may have clicked somewhere else. So I can just go ahead and click on this right here. So let's just go ahead and add in the detail. Let's say, for example, just over here. And then I'm going to go ahead right here and then make changes to it. So let's just go around over here just like this and take this change out right here, utilize the push pull tool, and you can see that that is what you have right here. So this is what you have right here, and then you can go ahead and pull this down as well if you want to right here. So let's just go around over here, and then I'm going to go ahead and pull this down right here just like this. So let's just go around over here just like this, and you can go ahead and then snap it off right here just like this, and then later go ahead and then edit this out as well. And you can see that you got a staircase right here just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see, but there is a bit of a detail error that's going on around over here. So let's just go ahead and then click to arrange it out. So let's just go around over here, double click on it, and then let me just go around over here, and then let's just go ahead and click on this one right here, and you can go ahead and change arrange out the length right here as you want right here just like this. So let's just go around over here just like this, change around the length, and that is what you have. And then you can see that you simply have a staircase right here just like this, as you can see, as you want. Then you can go ahead and add in more details as you want right here and repeat just like this, as you can see right here. And that is how you can go ahead and then make out a staircase using component inside of SketchUp and make more complex models as you need with it as well. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.